With Mel, as usual. I am Mel. Today, we are checking out the Donner DST 100B. I think it's B. I think B for the blue. Look at this blue, though. Can we just, real quick, acknowledge that that is a killer blue? I'm a big fan of that. Look at Donner. They're getting in there, getting their stuff all branded and whatnot. Got the classic gold and black, looking like something. But no, all things said, this is a killer guitar. It came with a whole set of things that I'm going to throw up on the screen. As far as the extra stuff that's in there, you're getting a capo, you're getting, I think there was strings, really nice cord, really nice strap, decent gig bag, and also, oh, the amp. Yeah, it's got this little battery powered, it's pretty cool. I'll take some video of it and I'll make sure I put it up there. But this is what we're about. We're about the guitar, okay? And I'll tell you what's unfortunate is I don't have a lot of information about this guitar, obviously. S-type, what you'd expect, okay? Surprisingly, wired old school with the tone not working on the bridge pickup, which is one heck of a bridge pickup. That thing is, it's hot and ready to rock. I tell you what, not bad tones out of these pickups at all. I'm assuming that they're ceramic. I don't have the information. What I do know is that is a, what was it? AAA, a solid African basswood body. I've never actually heard of that, but there's so much wood out there that I don't know. I can't keep track. I'm not overly picky as long as the thing sounds good in the end. It's got a AAA Canadian maple neck, which is a satin finish, and a really nice wide neck. Wider than the last guitar that I had in my hand that I thought was a wide one. Got a 5-way switch. You know, you got tones for these two pickups, master volume, everything you would expect on an S-type guitar. I'm a big fan. I'm gonna check some 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's 22 frets. In my information, it said 20 frets, and I'm like, that's not correct. And my information also said that this is an ebony fretboard, and danged if it's not. I mean, I'm fairly positive it's not. What is with all of these? Where are they finding this ebony to put on these freaking S-type and T-type guitars that I'm rocking out lately? But yeah, so this is the DST 100 from the Standard Series, and you're getting what you're getting, okay? I would say that it's surprisingly good. Like, I'll be honest. I'm not gonna float the, it's perfect. You know, I love budget guitars, but part of what you get out of buying a budget guitar is maybe things aren't the best. But fit and finish is proper. Fit and finish is good. I'm getting freaked out by all of these budget guitars that are out here now that, like, they're coming out of the box again, just like before. All I did was take it out of the box and tune it up. I did nothing to the guitar. I didn't even adjust the action. Now, is a little high for me, yeah, but I'd say that's probably about 2 mil. Maybe just over 2 mil at the 12th fret, which is considered average playing range, 1.5 to 2 mil. I mean, it's crazy. These guitars out of the box are coming out ridiculous. And Donner, they've done it. I mean, they made, crafted in China, established 2012, designed by Tennessee. I'm gonna have to do some looking into that. I don't know what designed by Tennessee means. But yeah, I mean, here, we'll go slow. It's clean, bro. And I'm a sucker for this blue. Like, no lie. The blue is where it's at. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what's going on with these overseas companies, but they're killing it. This guitar, you could gig this. You could take this out and gig it right now, just to get you through a set. I mean, even the factory strings, man, they're not completely terrible. I mean, they're not great. But yeah, man, this neck is killing me. I can't believe the quality on this neck and the frets. So it's definitely one of those, they're going for the low fret F style back in the day kind of thing. You know what I mean? Great guitar, man. So that's it, man. Quick and dirty on the Donner DST 100. This is legit. If you guys are out there shopping for your kids or anybody, you know, listen, I got kids, and I bought my kids Fenders, and I bought my kids Jacksons, and they showed no interest whatsoever. However, if I knew then what I know now, this is what I would have rocked them out. Because then, heck, man, I could have done something with it when they didn't. You know what I mean? This is a legitimate. I mean, I know it's supposed to be a starter guitar. This goes beyond being a starter guitar. This is better than a beginner guitar. But I mean, let me know in the comments. Are there beginner guitars anymore? I mean, is anything, you have budget guitars, which are all of these down here, Amazon, eBay, everywhere you're getting all these. You got your budget guitars that are now as good as, dude, now, I've been playing this for weeks or anything like that, but right out of the box, into my hand, it's just as good as a Squier. It just is. Now, that's a loaded statement considering that Squier has so many tiers, but I'm talking about, you know, this isn't, the only thing keeping this from being as good as a classic vibe, I will say, is probably the pickups. But at the same time, a classic vibe costs you 3 times as much as this guitar. You know what I mean? And that's crazy to me. I can't believe that there's sub-classic vibe guitars that have vibe and like legit construction, man. I don't know. But yeah, the Donner DST 100R. Check it out, man. There will be a link in the description down there. This was supplied to me by Donner. The link is not an affiliate link. That is not doing anything for me. That's just, if you're interested in a guitar, check it out and see what they got for options and stuff like that. But yeah, kind of impressive, I gotta say. So thanks for checking out Gear and Guitars with Mel. As always, I am Mel, and we're gonna catch you on the next one.